Very good morning, children. In chapter 3, you will learn about the clothes we wear. Our body is very sensitive, thus we need to protect it from different seasons. So, to keep us warm in winter, we wear woolen clothes, and to keep us cool in summer, we wear cotton clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and insect bites. In the picture given here are winter clothes. Example is sweater and jacket. Summer clothes are here, and one picture is of rainy season clothes. Now here are types of clothes. First one is cotton clothes. To protect us from heat in summer, we wear cotton clothes. Why we wear cotton clothes? Because they absorb sweat easily and keep us cool. These cotton clothes are made up of cotton threads. These cotton threads are made from cotton balls which get from cotton plant. That means cotton is a natural fiber. Next one is, did you know human beings are the only creature who wear clothes? Second is, khadi is a type of cloth which is made from cotton. Cotton threads are spun over a charkha, and Gandhiji wove his own cloth on the charkha. So cotton clothes are natural clothes. We get cotton from plant. Now next one is woolen clothes. To protect us from cold in winter, we wear woolen clothes because they keep us warm in winter, and these clothes protect us from winter. The wool comes from the thick hair on the body of the sheep. It is spun into a yarn, and then this wool is used to knit sweaters, cap and socks. After learning about cotton clothes and woolen clothes, now come to silk clothes. From where we get silk? We get silk from the silkworm. This insect feeds on the leaf of the mulberry plant. From their mouth they spit a long and sticky thread and wrap this thread around their body. This is called a cocoon. From this cocoon we get threads that are woven to make silk clothes. So we get silk from silkworm. Next one is leather clothes. Leather is obtained from the skin of animals like buffalo, snake, leopard, camel and crocodile. We get leather clothes from the skin of animals like buffalo, snake, leopard and camel, and this leather is used to make belt, jackets, shoes and so many things. Now here are what are natural and man-made fibers. As I said earlier, cotton is a natural fiber. Cotton, wool and silk are made from natural things and are named as natural fibers. Some clothes are made from man-made fibers like nylon and rayon. These are made from chemicals. They are not natural fibers. Fibers that are made from man are called man-made fibers, and fibers that we get from nature are called natural fibers. Now what are uniforms? Different type of clothes are worn by people of different occupations. These are called uniforms. An example is pilot, sailor, astronaut, doctor, school students. Now key to remember is what is weaving. Making of cloth from thread is called weaving. And what is uniform? Different type of clothes worn by people of different occupation is called uniforms. Now children, see here what are the things to remember from this chapter. The first one is clothes cover our body and add to our appearance. They protect us from heat, cold, dust and insects. Silk is obtained from silkworm. Clothes are made from natural as well as man-made fibers, and people of different occupations wear different uniforms. That's all from this chapter. I hope you can do all the exercise.